guys, it's Sejal. So I'm with my cousin Marvi today.
Hey!
So in the last month, wherever I've posted on Instagram or YouTube or anywhere about anything, the top comment that I've gotten is, "Hey, we're stressing about our board exams. Can you please?"
I'm gonna give
help?"
my boards.
कितने दिन में है तेरे boards?
Less than a month?
तूने पढ़ाई करी है?
नहीं.
इसने मुझे एक्चुअली 3-4 दिन पहले ना ऐसे फ़ोन किया कि जॉय दीदी यार मैं बहुत टेंशन में हूँ, मैं ये कैसे पढूँ वो कैसे पढूँ. फिर मुझे लगा कि आई शुड डू दिस वीडियो विद यू सो वी कैन हेल्प पीपल आउट एंड आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस अबाउट बोर्ड्स टू,
Yes.
so that it helps people who are watching.
I've asked my friends about the questions, whatever they have, any doubts, any sarcastic, funny, serious, any kind of questions. So here we are. As a sister, first my question that, look, I know you're not a nerd. You're seriously not a nerd. And I know that when you were in 12th, you used to party a lot, like I do. How did you manage to score such a good grade, like 97 point blah blah %?
बोर्ड एग्जाम्स ना इतनी बड़ी डील बना देते हैं स्कूल वाले लोग, इतना हाइप अप कर देते हैं.
Thank you.
राइट. एंड ऑनेस्टली जिस दिन मेरे बोर्ड्स थे ना, आई वाज लाइक ओह, लाइक इज दैट इट, लाइक व्हाई वाज देयर सो मच हाइप फॉर दिस. यार मैं यही कहूँगी कि मैंने पूरे साल रेगुलरली पढ़ाई नहीं करी. आई विश आई वुड हैव डन दैट, बट जितना भी मैं जब भी पढ़ती थी मैं अच्छे
Don't
से
make me regret now.
It's okay, it's okay. और अगर एंड स्टेज में भी नहीं पढ़ा है तो आई थिंक द बेस्ट थिंग टू डू इज क्वेश्चन पेपर्स. यू नो, जस्ट लाइक गो ओवर योर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन एंड देन सी कि कहाँ मिस्टेक्स हो रही है, देन री रिवाइज दैट पार्ट. एंड यार लाइफ का मोटो होता है वर्क हार्ड एंड पार्टी हार्ड. तो पूरे टाइम तो पढ़ नहीं सकती ना. यू हैव टू हैव फन आल्सो सो दैट योर माइंड इज रिलैक्स्ड.
And now, weren't there any sort of, distractions?
What kind of distraction?
Like friends, parties, and the concerts you have to go to, and the parties you have to attend. Those things.
सच सोशल प्रेशर. आजकल ना जब भी इसके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करती हूँ मुझे लगता है कि डूड, लाइक आई एम सो अनकूल. यू हैव टू प्रायोरिटाइज ऑल्सो ना. जैसे अभी अगर 30 दिन में तेरे बोर्ड्स हैं तो अभी एक कॉन्सर्ट मिस कर सकती है बिकॉज यार
I missed it. Okay.
good. Once you go to college, there will be 1 million concerts to attend. I'm not saying that never go for a concert if you have your exams, but prioritize. Do something that's more important in the near future, you know?
When I didn't go to that concert, Guru Randhawa, I told you. When I didn't go to that, I ended up, regretting and crying, and I didn't study at all that day.
ये मेरे साथ भी 12th में होता था. If I was doing something, if I was taking a break, I couldn't concentrate on taking a break. If I was studying, my mind was just somewhere else only, like दीवार पे देख के dreaming about Goa.
Same.
Right? So I think the most important thing to do is कि सुबह उठते ही अपना एक schedule बना, ठीक है, कि आज मुझे ये पढ़ना है. एंड ओवर मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि आज मैं 10 चैप्टर पढ़ लूंगी या मेरा 10 क्वेश्चन पेपर्स हो जाएंगे. 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर्स कर या 1 क्वेश्चन पेपर कर और उससे अच्छे से कर और बाकी टाइम रिलैक्स कर, ताकि तुझे पता है कि जितना तूने एम किया है तो उतना तो कर रही है ना.
Like how do you even concentrate on like Paul Science की book देखकर मुझे नींद आ जाती है. This is my friend's question. I don't have the subject.
अच्छा यही क्वेश्चन है. I had commerce in 12th, तो मेरे I think comparable subject is BST for us, right? It was like the worst subject ever. And जिस तरह से मैं पढ़ाती थी कि ये लो 2 books और रट लो, like Indian education system terrible. But anyway, like I can't change the system today. I don't think you can do it today. I think you can probably study now so that you become respected later to be in a position to change it, right? दूर से बोरिंग लग रहा है and first 2 minutes will be really difficult when you get into it. You feel like every vein in your body is bursting. But वो first 2 minutes के बाद if you survive तो तुम कर लोगे. तो don't think about it. Like जितना तू सोचेगी कि नहीं यार मुझे नहीं करना, तो start कर ले.
Teachers always say that you have to, मतलब एक word you have to get it correct. Like बिल्कुल ditto same जैसे NCERT में वही ditto same होना चाहिए उसमें. How is that even possible?
Dude, to be honest, I'm so strong against this. Like this makes my blood boil. Okay.
एग्जाम में भी like teacher put a cross and wrote एक note लिखा था कि नहीं it should be bookish language and all.
This pisses me off so much, but again, like I would say कि तू और मैं अभी एक
change नहीं
system
कर
नहीं
सकते.
change कर सकते. So just try and find a system in which you can prepare now, but try and understand what you're reading. That's more important.
There are so many distractions. How do we focus?
यार बस oh shit.
आपके टाइम पे like when you were in 12th,
यार हमारे
what
टाइम में
sorts of
फेसबुक होता था, ठीक है. मैं
नहीं, आप भी क्या
उस टाइम पे जो भी मेरा क्रश था
Okay.
उसकी whereabouts were very very distracting for me. ऐसे ऐसे कर सकती कि अगर मैंने 1 घंटा पढ़ाई करी है, get to go online for 5 minutes. Get a price to work hard.
How do you do difficult chapters? Like you leave it for the end and then in the end you keep procrastinating and end में exam में वो part तुम छोड़ कर चले जाते हो cause इतना time कौन लगाए उस चीज़ पर?
Like if you're in 11th going to 12th next year, next semester, whatever, you should do the difficult stuff पहले से.
हाँ, exactly.
See that chapter and then go through the past year papers and see कौन से questions
हैं, important ones.
हाँ, and then just try and understand the important questions and just concentrate on those.
Also, does ratification work for boards?
The whole education system is so messed up.
And what about eco?
It's like you have to understand a lot of concepts like the graphs, why a graph is like that. But then the formats, like you had to know how to write it in a, because 8 marker में ऐसे आंसर लिखना होता है, अब 6 marker में ऐसे लिखना होता है.
How do you manage time for maths and accounts both when on one side there's accounts test and on the other hand maths teacher is eating my brain for giving the test on the same day?
So when you grow up now, there will be like 10 things that you have to multitask in one day. So the only way you can do it is like scheduling time. And if you cut out social media and distractions,
How?
you realize just do it. Okay, don't think about how you have to cut it out. Just cut it out. Like it's as simple as that. You'll realize you have at least 3 hours free time.
Okay, my friend says ये ज़रूर पूछना like very honestly, how much does even boards matter in life?
Like going through board exams and going through this whole process is important because it teaches you a lot. ठीक है, जैसे 12th में like मैंने experience किया कि like actual hard work can actually get you results. ठीक है, and how to like schedule your time also. मतलब फिर तुम सीखते हो ना कि like वो एक grind तुम सीखते हो कि तुम ये limit नहीं जा सकते हो of hard work. I'm not saying a पढ़ाई, of hard work, because in life तो office जाएगी या अपना कुछ business start करेगी, तू 12 घंटे 13 घंटे काम करेगी उसके लिए. तो that will be your first taste of like actually working hard. In life, if you get good marks in your boards, it will help you get a good college and then may help you get a good job in that field. Okay, but if you choose to do something completely different, then your board marks don't matter at all. So it's like it's a different scenario for different people. It can matter for someone, it may not matter for someone else, but it doesn't mean that you absolutely screw it up, right? You should still work hard for like anything that's in your life, right? But yeah, in any case, I think it just teaches you a lot. So like put your best effort out, don't sleep. Like that's the thing.
Is it really bizarre that I still don't know what to do like in future? Is it like, because I'm not like, okay, I have these things like in family parties and it all.
Yeah,
सब पूछते हैं कि क्या CA बनोगे, क्या बनोगे, and etc. And I'm like उनको
It's okay.
I'm like उनको बस ऐसे on the spot उनको बोलने के लिए हाँ मैं तो CA बनूंगी मैं. Also there's so much pressure, like now this is my personal question, but like you, like Ravi Didi, everybody is so so intelligent and like reached and set a standard.
यार मैं तुझे एक सच बात बताऊं, मैं हर हफ्ते like मेरे साथ एक I have this talk with myself that shit, like I don't know what to do next, and it honestly never stops. Okay, like no matter like, so that's the thing, like I know to what hardworking and intelligent, and I think everyone is really talented and hardworking in whatever they like, like जब मैं school और college में थी ना, मैं इतनी वेली और इतनी chilled out थी. I'm being honest, ask any of my friends and even my viewers know this, मैं काफी chilled out थी. But as soon as I found something I liked, that motivation अंदर से आ गई, and मेरे को भी नहीं पता था that मैं इतना hard work कर सकती हूँ. तो एंड पता है अभी भी मेरे को लगता है कि शिट यार अब ये हो गया, आगे क्या करूँगी मैं. तो वो हर किसी के साथ रोज क्वेश्चन होता है. तो डोंट एवर फील लाइक कि तुझे एक बार कुछ मिल गया तो लाइफ भर तू सेट है. यू विल कीप क्वेश्चनिंग योरसेल्फ. अदर वो बात की रिलेटिव्स पूछते हैं इसको देखो उसको देखो, जस्ट लाइक कंप्लीटली इग्नोर यार. दे जस्ट वांट टू हैव अ कन्वर्सेशन विद यू एंड दे प्रोबेबली केयर फॉर योर बेटरमेंट, राइट? बट nobody can tell you what you have to do because you're you and you know what you want best, right?
That's my question. अभी I'm not quite sure मैं क्या चाहती हूँ. Like
it's okay यार, that's the best thing. That's the best ways to be in. Different चीजें try कर, क्या पता तुझे क्या पसंद आ जाए, है ना? And उसके बाद when you find it, then you'll just be like, shit, I'm the most intelligent person ever.
That sort of a person who's like, I don't know what to do tomorrow, what's next, and I don't even care about it. Like live in the present. Future छोड़ दो, मतलब छोड़ो नहीं, but
wish I was like you, but that's the best mind state to be in, and I think everyone watching also, if you're in this mind state, like you should be happy.
How should one manage time in the examination hall?
Okay, तो इसके लिए ना practice करनी पड़ती है. तो पूरी पास्ट ईयर पेपर्स पहले से कर, एक दो बार जब स्टार्टिंग में
एंड लाइक टाइमिंग अपने आप को घर पे टाइम कर कर.
One more thing, like if you feel like a question that you're not getting, or if you feel like it's a wrong question, don't waste your time on it. Just move on to the other stuff.
How to overcome anxiety during exams?
I also have bouts of anxiety here and there, but like if I focus on what I'm doing right now, it really helps. Take 10 seconds, just focus on हाँ अभी मैं एग्जाम कर रही हूँ, क्वेश्चन कर रही हूँ, आगे पीछे का कुछ नहीं सोचना है, and it honestly makes a
आगे पीछे as in
like कि shit अगर खराब हो गया एग्जाम तो मेरी लाइफ खराब हो जाएगी, या फिर हाँ मेरे को गोवा जाना है यार, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ लाइफ में, why am I doing this in life? So don't think about all that. So anyway guys, wish her best of luck. She actually has her exams. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe,
like, comment, share, everything cool stuff.
and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.